All right. Next up, we have our random number generators. You can have a whole lot of fun with these random number generators, especially when you get into our different animations and stuff like that. So just kind of think of if you were taking your picture that you drew with your different functions, and instead of predetermining what location and predetermining how many of your functions that you're putting to be able to draw your snow people or your trees or your houses or clouds or whatever you drew, you incorporated that into a for loop, and the position you made completely random on the screen. So when we do that, you can see the power of our random numbers. Before we can use these random numbers though, these are not part of our base Python packaging. So what we need to do is we need to import that package, and it's just called random. And what we'll do is we will make a variable, my number, and we will make it equal to random.randrange. And inside here, haha, random. There we go. So what happens is we have a range of numbers here. So we've got random.randrange. We're calling this package or library, and we are using this function, which is randrange. The parameter that we're passing through is going to be the top limit of our numbers that we can select from. Now, just because we have 50 though, it is not 50. 50 is not the highest number that we can get. The highest number that we can get is 49, because remember, it's the 50th place. We start counting at 0. So then what I'm doing is I'm just going to print my number. So if we watch, 31 was the first number that we selected. Play it again. 19, run it again. 14. And that's how we can get our different random numbers in here. We can do this from rolling a dice to whatever we want, just random events or random locations on a map. If we want to have a very specific position, let's say I just want my numbers between 200 and 300, right? I have to put in my actual number. So 200, 300, 200 is going to be my low side of this. Hit a comma, and if I go up to 300, I want to do 301. I can't do 300 because that would only get me to 299. I need to get to 301 to be able to get that 300th position, which is 300. Or sorry, 301st position, which is actually 300. So then when we run this, I'll get 200, there's 278. My lowest will be 200, my highest would be 300. So we can use this for pretty much whatever we want in any of our equations or running our functions or anything like that.